Now we're going to evaluate f of x equals x squared plus 2x plus 3. We're going to find f of negative 3. In other words, we're going to replace the x's for f of x. We're replacing the x's with negative 3's. Okay, so we take our original function here, f of x equals x squared plus 2x plus 3. And every time we saw an x, we replace that with a negative 3. So negative 3 goes for that x, goes for that x, goes for that x. And now we just do order of operations, okay? So start out with the squares, right? Exponents come before multiply, divide, right? We're just doing PEMDAS. So negative 3 times negative 3, we have 2. Negative 3 is being multiplied. Negative times negative is positive, and then 3 times 3 is going to make 9. So negative 3 squared makes a positive 9. Now we have a positive 2 times a negative 3. That's going to be a negative 6, and then we still have the plus 3 there. Now that we've done there's no parentheses. Now these parentheses here, if you're confused, these are actually multiplication or exponents parentheses. It's not parentheses like grouping symbol parentheses. Okay, so exponents, multiply, divide. Now we do add, subtract from left to right. So 9 minus 6 plus 3 is going to make 6. 9 minus 6 is 3 plus 3 makes 6. Or you can do the positives first. 9 plus 3 makes 12. And then minus 6 makes 6, okay? So here we go. So at the bottom of our work here, we have f of negative 3 equals 6. So that basically means when the input is negative 3 for this function here, then the output is going to be a 6. So the x is negative 3, the y would be a negative 6, or the output. And again, that f of x and the y kind of interchangeable for the most part. So if we put it on a graph, right, that would be the coordinate point negative 3, 6.